Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn how to place an order to buy or to sell a stock. Okay, we'll learn about order and order types. We have been learning what a stock is and the related theory associated with the stock or a share. Now we'll see how to place an order. Alright, now for you to place an order of a stock or a share, you need to have all these data. Okay, now this may look overwhelming, but it is very simple. Do not worry about this. I'll explain in detail. First, you need to decide the company in which you want to invest. Okay, now let us say you want to invest in Infosys. Alright, you want to buy shares of Infosys or stocks of Infosys. Now, all the companies have something called as ticker. Alright, now ticker is nothing but an abbreviation of the company. So, if you want to buy stocks of Infosys, then in the broker website, you need to type in INFI, because INFI is the ticker for Infosys. Okay. Similarly, for Hero MotoCorp, we have Hero Moto CO. For Larsen and Toubro, we have LT. For Canara Bank, we have CANBK. Alright. So, we will be using tickers. Now, if you do not know the ticker of the company in which you are trying to invest, you can directly type in the name and you can select the ticker. Okay, we'll do that. I'll go to my desktop and I will show you how to place an order. Next, you need to decide the exchange from which you will be buying or selling the shares. Now, exchange is like a shop, correct? If you want to buy 1 kg potato, you can decide to buy it from a local shop, or you can decide to buy from a mall, correct? So similarly, if you want to buy stocks of Infosys, you can buy it from either NSE or BSE. So both are shops or exchanges. Okay. Next, you need to decide the side of order, whether you want to buy the stocks of Infosys or sell the stocks of Infosys. And then you need to decide market or limit order. You need to decide the type of order, whether it is market order or limit order. We'll see the difference later. And finally, you need to decide the price and quantity. Okay, whether you want to buy 10 stocks or 20 stocks of Infosys, or you want to sell 10 stocks of Infosys. Okay, so these are the things that you need to know. So let us go to the desktop and place an order. Alright. So I am in the dashboard of Zerodha. Okay, Zerodha has a platform called as Kite. We have it for desktop, mobile, tablets also. Now I am on the desktop and I have logged into the dashboard. So now let us say we want to buy the shares of Infosys. Okay, so if you know the ticker, you can directly type in INFI here. Okay, INFI, and it will load up. If you do not know the ticker, you can just type in Infosys. Okay, Infosys, and then you need to read here. Okay, you can see we have HCL Infosystem, left Infosys, and Southern Infosys. So it is Infosys, which is this. Okay, now let me type in INFI. Next, what you need to know is the name of the exchange from which you will be buying the stocks. Okay, whether it is NSE or BSE. So the first option is NSE. You can see on the left. So if I move the mouse, it shows this option and it covers that. So to the left, you can see, to the left of the mouse pointer, you can see NSE. To the left of the mouse pointer, you can see BSE. So generally, we buy from NSE because the liquidity is more and volume is also more. Okay. Now, here you have B for buy, S for sell. You know that you can buy a stock or sell a stock. So I'll click on buy, okay, and this gets loaded up. All right. Now it is asking whether you want to buy it for intraday trading or long-term investment. Okay. So intraday trading means you have to buy the stock and sell the stock in the same day. All right. Long term means you buy the stock now and you can sell it whenever you want. All right. Now let's not get into too much detail of this. I'll select long term. Okay. Next, side of order. We have already done that. We have selected buy. Next is whether it is market order or limit order. Okay. Now, if we consider, let me cancel this and let me have in fee and add it to the watch list. And if I see the chart, do not worry about this chart right now. Now currently it is being traded at 1466 rupees. Okay, so if you want to buy one stock of Infosys, you need to pay 1466.20. Okay, the price keeps on fluctuating. So let us say I want to buy this and let me move it up here. Okay, now long term, market and limit. So market order means you want to buy the stock right away. Okay, at whatever price it is being traded at. Okay, so currently it is 1465. So by the time you press buy button, at what price the stock is being traded, at the same price the stock will be bought and credited to your account. Okay, now that is market order. Limit order means you can set the price limit. So currently it is 1465 rupees. Okay, I will enter 1450 rupees. Okay, 1450 rupees and then hit buy button. When I do that, it will go into my order book. The stock will be bought only when the price reaches 1450 rupees. Until and unless the price of the stock reaches this price, the stock will not be bought. Okay, this means you want it right away. This means you are willing to wait for some time so that you get it at the price that you want. Okay, so that is about this. When do we go for market order? We go for market order when we believe the price is going to go up. Okay, or in other words, when the stock is time sensitive, we go for market order. Whereas we go for limit order when the price is important. Okay, you are not you are not worried about waiting for some time. You just want to buy it at 1450. When you have time, when you have patience, when you are willing to wait, we go for limit order. But the thing about limit order is sometimes the price will not reach this point at all. It will just keep on moving up. Okay, so it may reach till 1451. Okay, it may reach till 1451 and then it can move up. By the time you would have lost your order. Whereas if you keep market order, it will buy at 1466.70. But then after half an hour or after a day, the price may reach 1450 rupees. So you would have incurred a loss by placing a market order. Okay. Once again, do not worry too much about this. Alright. Yes. So this is how you place market or limit order. Now I am not going to place this. Alright. Now here, if you consider Infosys, we can click on market depth here. Every platform has it. And in the market depth, you can see the orders that are being placed by different people. Okay, different people. So you can see there is an order of these many to buy the shares. and there is an order of these many to sell the shares. Okay, on the left side it is bid, on the right side it is ask or offer price. Okay, left side it is always buyers, right side it is always sellers. Okay, so you can see the price is in decreasing order. Okay, the price is in decreasing order. So 1466.15, 1466.10 and so on. Alright, so here you can see the price is in increasing order. Okay, 202550 and so on. So here it will be decreasing order, here it will be increasing order. Alright, and the priority will be to the first. Okay, this is least and this is highest. Alright, now do not worry once again too much about this. Alright, I do not want to confuse you by giving you too many details of this. Alright, but that is all you need to know about placing an order. Alright, so I hope you have understood this concept. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.